Hello students, welcome back. I'm Rinkesh sir and today we are going to continue with the miscellaneous exercise 6 of chapter number 6, that is applications of derivative. Till now we are completed till question number 14. So let's start with question 15. Question 15. So that the altitude of right circular cone of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 4r by 3. Okay, so let's draw the figure first. Okay, now in this figure you can see a sphere and a circular cone inscribed in it. Let the radius of the sphere be r. So if this is the center point, okay, then this will be the radius r and this will be the radius r. Okay, let the height of the cone be h, or let's say y. This height I will take it as y. Okay, now let the radius of the cone be x, this is x. Okay, let's name the cone a, b, c, d and e. Okay, so now what will be ed? Okay, I will write ed. I can use in triangle vde. Okay, now before that, if this the total height is y, okay, and if I want to find out ed, the first I need to take ed. So ed will be equal to y minus r. So this is y minus r. Okay, so what is the value of x? Now I will take in triangle bde. X square will be equal to hypotenuse, that is r square, minus the side square y minus r square. So that will be r square minus y square minus 2yr plus r square. So it will be r square minus y square minus minus plus 2yr minus r square. So x square will be equal to 2yr minus y square. Okay, now what is the volume? We need to maximize the volume. So volume of a cone V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. What is here the value of r? X. So I will take x square. And what is the value of h? That is height y. Okay, so 1 by 3 pi r x square y. So this we will make it our function. So v will be equal to f of y 1 by 3 pi. Instead of x square I will use 2yr minus y square into y. So the formula, the function will be f of y, that is a volume, pi by 3 2y into y, that is 2y square r minus y cube. Now to find out the maximum volume, we need to first find out the critical point, of that means f dash y and then f double dash y. F dash y will be pi by 3 to 4y r. Radius will be the constant. Okay, radius of the sphere will be the constant. So 4y minus 3y square, and f double dash y, that will be equal to pi by 3 4r minus 6y. Okay, now for critical point I need to take f dash y equal to 0. What does this imply? Pi by 3, that will go on the other side, will be 0. So 4yr minus 3y square equal to 0. That means 4yr equal to 3y square. We get cancelled. So y will be equal to 4r by 3. Okay, now let's see whether at y equal to 4r by 3 volume is maximum or not. For that we'll put that in f double dash. f double dash 4r by 3, this will be equal to pi by 3 minus 4r minus 6 into 4r by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are. So pi by 3 into 4r minus 4 twos are 8r minus 4r. As it is negative, less than 0, hence volume is maximum when y is equal to 4r by 3. Okay, hence we have to, what was high? Y? Height, that is altitude. Hence, altitude y is equal to 4r by 3. Clear? So this was about question number 15. So just note it down. Wait, now let's move to the next. Question 17. So that the height of the cylinder of maximum volume that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius r is 2r by root 3. Also find the maximum volume. Okay, first let's draw the figure. Okay, now here you can see a cylinder inscribed in a sphere. Let the radius of the sphere be r. This will be equal to r. Let the height of the cylinder be equal to y, means this I will take y. Okay, let's name this O A B. So OB will be equal to y by 2. Let the radius of the base of the cylinder be x. Okay, so now what we have to find out, that the maximum volume, it will have maximum volume when the radius when the height is equal to 2r by root 3. So y is important for us, so we'll just replace the value of x in terms of y. Okay, so if I use Pythagoras, then x square will be equal to r square, that is hypotenuse square, minus y by 2 square. So this will be r square minus y square by 4. Okay, now we need to maximize the volume. So we will take volume. Volume of a cylinder, its formula is pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base. What is the radius here? X. Pi x square h. What is the height? We have taken it as y. Okay, so now let's put the value of x square. We had already found out in terms of y, that is r square minus y square by 4. 4 into y. Let's multiply this y. So pi into r square y minus y cube by 4, and this we will take it as our function v equal to f of y. Now to find the maximum volume, we need to take f dash y and f double dash y. So f dash y will be equal to pi r square minus 3y by 3y square by 4, and f double dash y, this will be equal to pi r square, that's constant, so 0 minus 3y, not 3, 6y by 4. So obviously it is having a negative sign, so this is less than 0. Hence volume will be maximum at the value of y such that f dash y will be equal to 0. Whatever the value, it will be 0. F double dash y is going to be negative, so the volume will be maximum. So F dash y is 0, that means pi into r square minus 3y square by 4 will be equal to 0. So pi when goes on other side it will be 0. R square minus 3y square by 4 equal to 0. So r square equal to 3y square by 4. So y square is equal to 4r square by 3, or y when I take square root on both the side, 2 root r, sorry, it's r square, so it will be not root, 2r by root 3. Okay, so we got the value of y. At this value of y, the volume will be maximum. So hence we have proved the first part. Okay, that the height is equal to 2r by root 3, means that implies height is equal to 2r by root 3 for maximum volume. Okay, now there is also one another question, also find out the maximum volume. Okay, so we'll use this formula for volume, that is equal to pi r square minus y square by 4 into y, sorry, not this one, we can directly use this formula. Let's name this as 1. From 1 v, that is equal to pi r square y minus y cube by 4. So this will be equal to pi r square. Now what is y? 2r by root 3 minus y cube. So 2 cube 8 r cube. That okay, 4 as it is, and y cube means 2 cube, that is 8 r cube, and root 3 cube, that will be 3 root 3. Okay, so 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this will be equal to pi 2r cube by root 3 minus 2r cube upon 3 root 3. So the LCM will be equal to 3 root 3. So I will multiply, it's only 3 root 3. We are having only root 3 in the denominator of the first one. So multiply by 3, 3 to the 6 r cube minus 2 r cube. So this will be equal to 4, 6 r cube minus 2 r cube, 4 r cube. So 4 pi r cube upon 3 root 3. This is the volume. Okay, hence volume is 4 pi r cube upon 3 root 3. Okay, clear? So this was about question number 17. So just note it down. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 18. Show that height of the cylinder of greatest volume which can be inscribed in a right circular cone of height h and semi-vertical angle alpha is one third that of cone. This is the first part. And the greatest volume of the cylinder is 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. This is the second one. First, we have to prove that the height of cylinder is one third the height of cone. Okay, and the greatest volume of cylinder is 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. First, let's draw the figure. Okay, now let's draw a cylinder inscribed inside it. Okay, let here, let the height, this is the main cone, it's not a triangle, it's a cone. Okay, the height of the cone, let's take it as h. Okay, let the height of the cylinder, okay, let's take this as y. The radius of the cylinder, let's take this as x. Okay, and this is the angle alpha. Okay, now let's name this A, B, C, D, E. Now see here, if I take two triangles like AD and G, if I take two triangles, this one A, D, G, another A, E, and C. Okay, both are similar triangle, right? Triangle ADG and triangle AGC are similar triangles. Okay, so now what is AD? I can write down that AD upon AE, that will be equal to DG upon EC. I can take the ratio. Now what is AD? The total height is H. So this will be AD will be equal to H minus Y. Okay, and AE, that is H, that is equal to DG, that is X, okay, upon EC. Let the radius of this cone be R. So X by R. Okay. So now see, we have to prove that height of cell. So we want our terms in Y. Okay. So I will replace everything in terms of Y. So H minus Y, this will be equal to Hx by R. So Y will be equal to, Y goes on this side positive, H minus Hx upon R. Okay, so this will be equal to HR minus Hx by R. So I will get here Y equal to H by R. I can take common R minus X. Clear? So I got the value of the height of the cylinder. Now, what is the formula for volume of a cylinder? Volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder V is equal to pi r square h. So where pi r, that is the radius of the cylinder, that is x square. H is the height of the cylinder, that is y. So this we will take it as function. V equal to f of x equal to pi x square, and instead of y, h by r minus x. Remember, h is the height of the cone, that is constant. R is the radius of the cone, that is also constant. Okay, so now to find out the maximum volume, we need to take f dash x and f double dash x. F dash x is equal to pi, okay, x square. We will take differential, we will take uv, or first let's multiply this x inside. F of x v will be equal to pi h by r constant, r into x square, rx square minus x cube. Okay, now let's differentiate it. So f dash x, let's name this equation as 1 for the volume. F dash x, that will be equal to f dash x, okay, that will be equal to pi h by r. Now rx square, that means 2xr minus 3x square. Okay, this is our f dash x. Clear? And f double dash x, that will be equal to pi hr. It will be 2x minus 6x. So this will be equal to pi h by r minus 4x. As we are having negative sign, this will be less. Sorry, there is a mistake. It will be 2r, not 2x. 2r minus 6x, because we are differentiating with respect to x. Clear? So now critical point f dash x equal to 0. That will show pi h r into 2xr minus 3x square equal to 0. So 2xr minus 3x square equal to 0. That is 2xr equal to 3x square. So x and square gets cancelled. So r will be equal to 3x by 2, or x will be equal to 2r by 3. Clear? So we got the value of x. Now put that value in equation of height. What was the equation of height here? Y equal to h by r minus 2r by 3. So this will be h by r, 3r minus 2r. So y is equal to h by r into r by 3. Y is equal to h by 3. So height of cylinder is equal to 1/3 of height of cone. So we have proved the first part. Okay, now the second is you have to prove that the greatest volume of cylinder is 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. Okay, so we'll use the formula for this. Volume from 1 P equal to pi h by r into r x cube, that means we will use this value of r, so 8 r cube by 27. Sorry, it's x square, not x cube, right? It's rx square. So r into x square, that is 2r by 3 square, 4r square by 9 minus x cube. Now it's 8r cube by 27. Okay, so this will be equal to pi h by r. Now 4r into r square, r cube common. I will take it as r cube common. It will be 4 by 9 minus 8 by 27. This will get cancelled square. Pi h r square. LCM will be 27. So 9 threes are 4 threes are 12 minus 8. It will be 4 by 27 h r square. Okay, sorry, pi h r square. Okay, but now we will have to prove it 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. So now see, if I take this triangle AEC, this is R, this is H, and this is alpha. So what will be tan alpha? That will be equal to R by H. That implies R is equal to H tan alpha. So what I will do? 4 by 27 pi H instead of R square, H square, tan square alpha. So volume V is equal to 4 by 27 pi h into h square h cube 10 square alpha. Hence we have proved that the maximum volume is 4 by 27 pi h cube 10 square alpha. Clear? So this was about question number 18. Okay. So just note it down. Okay, students. So that's it for today. Thank you.